Alright guys, welcome back to the garage. And yes, the engine is off, the chain is off. You guys are probably wondering why. Well, so this piece of metal here I had to put on because originally I had the engine plate there welded just a little bit right here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. And with the torque and horsepower of the Harbor Freight engine, it literally like ripped the engine plate off and broke my welds. So I decided to add this piece of metal in here to give me a nice thick surface to weld it onto. I got it all sanded down and welded it back on, and then when I was pushing it home from where it broke, right here started to break all the way around. So I got that re-welded. But I noticed down in here and then down in here isn't welded very well. Didn't penetrate very good. So I'm going to have to re-weld that. So there's a couple touch-up spots I'm going to have to do. But I'm probably going to do it all off camera. I'm not sure. But this is just a little update, but it will be back up and running. And I want to try to do the 500 subscriber burnout with it, but I probably use something else. So, thanks for tuning in. That's the little update I have for now, and hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, that's all welded back on, and off camera I did a couple little welds on this down here because this one had a lot of play here and down here. And so took a lot of the play out of that, welded up in here and over here. I know they're not the greatest, but it'll hold better than what it was. So now to throw the engine back on and get everything back to where it was. Need some better front tires. 32 miles an hour, and it started getting sketchy. So back to the drawing board with this one, guys.